How to create your first 3D model from an image using Trellis with this guide. Well, that's what we're going to try. First, we're going to upload an image. I always love to test with this car model I have here. We'll leave the parameters as I've set them. Then we'll click generate. As you can see, it starts creating the 3D model asset. In no time, it has already created the asset. It even makes a video rotating it in all directions, so we can see how it's generated and how the model looks, with and without textures. If we like the result, we'll click extract GLB. It'll start the model extraction process. This process obviously takes a bit longer. As you can see, it has extracted the model. Here we can move it around as we like. Zoom in, out, and see how it turned out. Check the textures it has applied. If we like the result, as you can see, the final outcome is quite good. Pretty good, though the textures could obviously be improved. But the model itself is quite impressive for an initial version. Plus, look how smoothly it runs. See, I can move it without any lag, unlike many other programs. So this is how you could create your first 3D model, or begin your work this way with your 3D model. This can save you time or help you start generating 3D models. It's a simple, easy way if you've never done it before. Let's see how we can create 3D models from images taken at different angles and how this method can exponentially improve our 3D models. To do this, we'll go into Trellis and enter the multi-image section. We'll click on place images and upload them. I've selected 3 specific files and now it's processing them. As you can see, these are different angles of a Labrador Retriever and also with different, with these poses. Okay, now we'll generate this model using these 3 photos. We'll adjust everything, hit generate, and start creating the model. What's the advantage of using 3 images? Well, we can be much more precise when making these models because we're showing how the dog looks from all angles. As you can see, it's already created the first sketch and model from this. We like the result, so we'll click extract GNB. As you can see, it'll process and generate the GLB model. Now we're all set. Look, it's given us the GLB with the texture fully incorporated. As you can see, it's super accurate. Check out the legs and tail. It's not perfect, but improvable. There's a photo showing the tongue, so that part's a bit off, okay? Basically, try to keep the same pose. That's my advice, or you might get results like this. But it's a well-made model from the start, super accurate as it should be. This way you can greatly improve your 3D image creation. Look at the back view. It's literally identical to the photo. If not for this little mess up here, it'd be perfect. In fact, let's see if I can try something. After many attempts, as you can see, I've changed photos, angles, and more. I tried to see if it looked better. After many tries, this was the best final result I got. To be fair, it was quite good from the start, maybe even a bit better initially. It does say it's an experimental algorithm that can help, but if you have detailed images, ones with good clarity, obviously the more details you provide, the better it works. With less detail, it might not work as well. So if you want to put in the effort, now you know how.